Look around you. There are at least 8 to 10 different smart gadgets, from smartwatches to smartphones to even your latest door locks. All of them use electronics. Today's latest technology trends like AI, robotics, automation, all of them have electronics as one of their core building blocks. The potential to supercharge our lives is what makes electronics exciting. And so we at MakerVerse decided to bring an electronic gadget making summer camp for your children. This is a 5-day, 10-hour summer camp which starts with children exploring the fundamentals of electronics like current, voltage, resistance, and they go on to building circuits using basic components like resistors, LEDs, switches, and so on. And finally, they end the camp while building more exciting projects like a Bluetooth speaker, a cool remote controlled robot, and so on. So, why should you send your child to the camp? We strongly believe for a child in today's high tech era, the ability to appreciate and create with technology is going to be a superpower. Apart from learning the fundamentals of electronics, the child will also gain softer skills like problem solving. For example, when a circuit does not work, how do you go about fixing it? How do you go about changing things to make it work? Uh, it also forms a foundation for further technology learning. And last but not the least, it helps build focus and patience. Making something is not always easy or straightforward. It requires effort, dedication, and resilience. Let me tell you a bit more about this camp. On day one, we start with the fundamentals of electronics. We learn about concepts like voltage, current, polarity. We use the basic electronic components like resistors, LEDs to make basic electronic circuits like how to turn on an LED, build a traffic light, an electronic greeting card, and so on. On day two, we start using sensors. We use sensors like light dependent resistors, magnetic sensors. We build a night lamp using light dependent resistor and a transistor. On day three, we are now set up to build more exciting projects. We start building a Bluetooth speaker. In this, they learn about how electrical energy is converted to sound energy. They learn about how Bluetooth works. And they also learn why an amplifier is required for a larger sound. Day 4, we build a cool electronic cleaning robot, wherein the children learn about how DC motors work, how they need to be controlled, how gear mechanisms help in making certain actuations, and so on. On final day, which is day 5, they build a cool light following bug. We use 2 light sensors, compare their values, and finally control the motors such that it keeps following the direction of the light. Some important points. 1. To ensure the success of the camp, our batch size is limited to 10 students. This is to maintain a 10:1 student-teacher ratio. Second, none of these activities require soldering, so it is completely child safe. So what are the takeaways from this camp? It has a lot of activity-based learning. All the kits and projects that the child makes are takeaway. For example, this Bluetooth speaker that the child builds can be used long after the camp is over. Each child gets a course completion certificate. And finally, it promises to be a lot of fun for the child. So what are you waiting for? Register your child now.